A group of executives sits locked in a high stakes negotiation. One smiles confidently, another looks uncertain. Background sound slowly muffles. Emotional connection. Mild hearing loss isn't silence, it's missed tones. Misunderstood words, misplaced confidence. In a negotiation, when every word carries weight, one wrong yes or unheard no can change the outcome forever, the turning point. Now imagine hearing every pause, every hesitation, every detail with clarity. Negotiations are not just about words, they're about trust, and clarity builds trust. Zenaud message. At Zenaud, we believe opportunities should never be lost to silence. With hearing solutions that restore clarity, you don't just hear better, you live, connect, and win better. Because in business and in life, clarity isn't optional, it's everything.